Ever one of those days when you're just going to go down the shop and spend a few dollars, and you get down there and realise what you thought you were going to buy is not going to do the job, and you really need to spend a little bit more to get what you need. I went down to Bunnings to buy a couple of big sawhorses. I set myself a budget of $50, and when I saw what I would get for that, I realised that, well, it was probably junk that just wasn't going to do the job. That's when I saw this, the Irwin work table. Basically 2 sawhorses with a table between them. Very, very simple mechanism. You just push a button down, pull the handle up, the legs pop out, and it's basically 2 sawhorses or platform between them. Now, this apparently is strong enough for me to stand on. I'm not going to do that because no one needs to see a fat bloke fall off the table, but I had a good look at it and I think it will. It's quite stable. I'll just grab a piece of wood and clamp it down. You can see I'm not going to start the saw, but see that it is really quite good for clamping too. I happen to have Irwin clamps, so priority, but that's what I have. So we'll just clamp them up like that. The table is quite stable and they clamp down quite well. I don't think there's any issue with cutting on that. So yeah, that's how that goes. I'll just pop these off again and I'll show you how the mechanism works. Tool reviews and things. I tend to use this table for general work around my unit at the moment. We're staying in the unit for a short time. I'm also going to use it as my main table for doing my tool reviews, things like that. I've got a few coming up. I know I've been quiet, but I'm about to get back into it. I'm impressed by the simple operation of this. I'll just show you now. You flip it aside to put it away. Press the button and push the handle and down it goes. It really is quite simple. From the other side, you just do this. A bit of trouble there. I've got pretty bad arthritis in my thumbs, my knees and other parts of my body. But yeah, these are very, very simple to use. So I don't know if you're interested in this sort of item, but I just was taken by it and it was a good thing, so I picked one up. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. And I'm sure you'll see more of it in videos to come.